Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope you are all doing very well. So friends, we have come to our new video today. In today's video, the new content will be how to fix the camera not working in Google Meet. So without delay, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome browser. After opening it, you have to search for Google Meet here, okay? After searching for Google Meet, the first link that will appear, you need to click on it. After doing this, you will see an option on this side with three dots. Okay friends, you need to click on the three dots. After doing this, when you scroll all the way down, you will see an option called settings just above exit. Okay, you need to click on the settings option. After doing that, you will see a site settings option here at the top. You need to click on it. Then type site settings here. Alright. Look at your site settings at the very bottom. You will find the site settings. You need to click on this option. After reading, when you scroll a bit, you will see an option called camera here. Alright. So you have to enter this. After entering, you will see an option at the very bottom towards the arrow. You have to click on the arrow. After that, you will see the camera under location. For those of you who are having camera problems, or if the camera is not opening, you will see here that it is blocked instead of allowed. That's why your camera might not be opening. You have to allow it. If you allow it, the camera problem will be fixed. So friends, if you liked our video, please give a like, subscribe and share the channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video.